So Joey, what we doing today, man?
Man, we hauling junk cars, man.
What we hauling? So we got to move all these cars, some of those cars in the back, before the end of the day. We got this truck and this raggedy 1960. No, I'm just playing. It's a 90 2000. That's brand new beast right here. That's 2000. I'm gonna say it's a 2014. 2016. All this right here. Non-driving. It means to balance the sports out. Oh. Set it down. There you go. And go all the way in. What are you doing? Go in, fool. He's got it up in the middle of the car now. All you gotta do is go straight in. He's stuck. What is he doing? He needs to go down his force and tilt back up. Get his force level. He can go right up under. Getting stuck too. I got $20, say he still don't get it. Watch out. Whoa, 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 whoa. But y'all something else. Hey, there's our truck where you can get it.
Yeah.
Hey man, who ripped that fender off? They y'all tearing shit up in the junkyard? That wasn't like that. Yes, it was. Jill, let's send me some fire. If he makes it out of here without dropping, he's a lucky son of a gun. Probably drive so slow because you be doing crazy shit. You got your things and stuff out of the way? I don't believe it. 35 minutes later. Still ain't on the road back there. There it is, it's planted. You ever wonder what happens to your car when it's done? Oh yeah. That's one way to get unloaded really quick. It was a long day, long day. Bentley's glad I'm home. I'm glad to be home. Sitting in the AC. It was hot riding around in those trucks with no AC. Very rough day. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Had a good time with my uncles and my cousin. Little Joey came up from Key West for a little bit. Hung out, went fishing with me yesterday. I went and rode in the rollback with him, helped him tow cars. Man, them little rednecks, they tear up a bunch of stuff, but they fix a lot of stuff too at the same time. Y'all just don't understand what kind of rough job they have towing trucks. If y'all know anybody that tows trucks, man, they do a lot. They do a lot. Even if they don't own their own place, which my uncles do, they own their own place, they still work hard. Some of them still don't know what the heck they're doing. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a good one. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. Let me know how y'all like this video by smashing the like button or in the comments section below. Y'all have a good one.